Oh shoot, I think I made a mistake. He might have called for help. Uh-oh. He's getting close. I'm kind of nervous though. What if he sees me and hates me? I'm gonna go in the closet. I can get out in time. I can get him in the stairs if I need to. No. Now run.
This will surely be a blow to the syndicate.
Run.
You should get back to...
Is this an exit I can take?
Couple of months.
I guess so.
Yeah, it's a good situation.
Find anything good?
Miss Yamazaki's very smart. Very...
Yabe. A cable car. Sometimes you have to. Sometimes you have to. Hitman is too fun. It's too fun.
Excellent work back there.
To go a little crazy on him. The music's so scary.